Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Making $10,000 quickly requires a blend of innovation, skill, and effort. Consider freelancing in areas like graphic design, writing, or programming, where demand is high. Exploring the gig economy through platforms like Uber or Airbnb can provide flexible earning opportunities. Selling items online, whether through eBay, Etsy, or Facebook Marketplace, can turn unused items into cash. Stock market or cryptocurrency trading can be lucrative but comes with risks. Lastly, offering consultancy services in your area of expertise can attract high-paying clients.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.